Okay, this is the last time I'm going over this with you.
Okay.
If a stranger says, get in my van, you do what?
Get in the van on the passenger side.
No, you don't get in.
So don't even get in the van.
What if they have a Reese's cup?
Now you get in the van.
No, you don't.
No, that's going to be hard.
What if they have 2 Reese's cups?
I'm in that van like Peter Pan, baby. You said
no,
2.
you still don't get in.
Don't know if that's possible.
What if they have 2 Reese's cups and a Snickers?
Van time. Probably
no,
gonna start with
never get in.
Never get in?
Right, never get in.
Okay, never get in.
And if they have Skittles?
Get in the van. I didn't know they had Skittles.
No, Derek.
No? Even with Skittles?
Even with Skittles.
Wow.
What if they have M&M?
Ooh.
What do you do now?
I feel like this is a trick question.
Should be easy.
You don't. This is hard.
Just say what you think it is.
You get in the van.
No, Derek.
Really?
Yes, really.
And we're talking about peanut M&Ms.